Hello gardening family. Today I'm bringing you along. I am going to attempt to grow some potatoes for the first time. So today I am going to plant some purple potatoes, and these are potatoes right here. They are a late summer harvest, and they're Adirondack blue. I don't eat too many potatoes, but I do like them, and I like the purple potatoes as well. So I picked these up from Tractor Supply, a 3-pound bag. I did some planting yesterday, but I decided to do a video today because I've never planted them before. Now, I've only cut one in half. That was pretty sizable, as you can see. This was the only one I cut in half. The other ones were pretty small, so I just put them in the container. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to grow these in grow bags just to see how they turn out. Again, this is my first time growing them, and we're going to see how they turn out. Again, Adirondack blue. Move that to the side, and this is my grow bag. I purchased these off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. But basically all I'm doing is, and I don't know, I think it says 12 to 15 inches. This is a 10-gallon, I believe, grow bag. So I'm just basically putting 4 in each bag. Kind of center them, not center them, but put them off to each corner of the bag as best I can. And this soil medium is just a raised garden bed soil, and as they grow up I'll add soil to it. I didn't add any amendment other than some Azomite. You guys can see down in there, and you can see this one, and then I have one right there, one right here, and one in the back. Sorry about the angle and the shading, but pretty much that's all I did. And I have a little bit of more soil in this container, and I just sprinkled it over. Now, I did watch a video stating that potatoes need a lot of magnesium to grow well. So as they grow up, I will add magnesium. And another thing I did, this is basically it. I added some Azomite, which is basically different minerals, trace minerals. That I use this a lot, been using it for years. Got it off of Amazon. And this is what it looks like. It's just a small little bag of trace minerals. I'll sprinkle that in there, and that'll be it. And once they start sprouting and getting little leaves, I'll add more soil on here. Again, this is my first time growing potatoes, and I am growing the Adirondack blue. Got a 3-pound bag from Tractor Supply. Thanks guys for watching, and keep growing.